Construction plays a vital role in economic growth of any countries. Vietnam is on track of economic development pace with young, energetic and enthusiastic labor resources. Vietnam government focuses exclusively on pushing up construction sector to build a stronger economy and improve the quality of living standard for our people. In this respects, the government and organizations have invested a considerable amount of money and energy to provide construction manpower with high-quality training and improvement opportunities. Developed areas like Malaysia, the Middle East, Eastern Europe, etc., are always faced with a situation of highly skilled labor's shortage and high pay for local workers. This is the reason why they go seek out for labor resources from Asia, especially from Vietnam.
The reason being, first of all, their body structure, okay, they are well built and they are very young, they are very energetic. The quality of the Vietnamese candidates is definitely higher compared to the other nationalities. This is what our present image we have, and I'm sure that your employees will keep up that image.
We have the honor to be in Vietnam and to know all of you, and after that to work with the Vietnamese people. And the people, they are so patient. This is as a Vietnam in general. Regarding the worker, yes, this is the third time NESMA is dealing with you, mainly with you. We feel the Vietnamese, they are a good worker, and they can learn very fast. And I noticed them, they are smarter than the other.
Vietnam Manpower has been in the recruitment industry for more than 15 years. We are leading professionals specialized in recruiting qualified experts and skilled workers to the Middle East and Europe, especially in construction field. We have a large resource of skilled workers who has experienced in lump sum projects in the Middle East, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Vietnam Manpower supplies for construction industry all type of labors from general workers to professionals. Our facility is adequate for more than 1,000 candidates to take the test in each recruitment campaign, along with necessary equipment to meet clients' testing criterion.
I am very happy with your service. As I've told you, it was a very nice surprise. This place, which seems to me to be a school of welding and assembly, it's a very nice surprise.
Vietnam Manpower's welders have years of hands-on experiences in oil refinery projects like Ghi Sun, Dung Quat, Muang Duong thermal electricity. Many of them experienced in overseas projects for international companies like Samsung, Hyundai, SKE&C, Daewoo E&C, Gozen, Aramco, Denlali. Besides, they are certified by prestigious welding organizations like AWS, IWIT Alloys, APAV. Our welders can weld in every position from 1G to 6G using different welding method on every weldable material from easy to hard in varied conditions and environment. Other general workers such as concreting workers, scaffolding workers, mason, plasterers, electricians. From Vietnam Manpower are youth and strong men from 20 to 35, having at least 3 years working on sites. Speaking of carpenters, they all have skill of workmanship, great precision and experiences with high-grade building project. Artistic sense inherited from the quintessence of French architecture style. Vietnam Manpower also supplies drivers, heavy equipment operators and mechanics. We had supplied bulldozer operators, crane operators, backhoe operators, roller operators. For top companies in the Middle East like Yamama Contracting Co., Al-Ajami Co., Jekat Contracting Company. We also supplies high-skilled technicians like electrical technicians, AC technicians, CNC operators, etc. Our technicians are given proper training at prestigious vocational school in Vietnam from 2 to 3 years and issued national certificates. In general, Vietnam Manpower's workers are not only trained well in working skills but also educated carefully about health and safety and international working standard, in order to be fully qualified to work for local and overseas projects. In addition to supplying workers, Vietnam Manpower also recruits engineers, architects, inspectors, administrators and managers, for our clients. All of them have at least 5 years of working experience and good command of English. We can assure that the quality of our people is at the same level as manpower from developed countries.
Very good English, they can communicate with us, with our laborers, very good. We can go forward with them in future also, like this. As far as these laborers concerned, they knows the job. Yeah, the skill is good. And the way of behavior is perfect. I didn't expect this much behavior from these people. They are all very good. And as well, when they are doing the job, if you see that people, we know that the way they are doing, they knows the job. Easily you can evaluate the people while you are using the tools. Perfect. So that means no problem at all for us.
In order to make things possible, Vietnam Manpower built up an extensive recruitment process for our team to follow. After discussing and signing the contracts, Vietnam Manpower will select the most suitable candidates from our database. And afterwards, these candidates will be proceed to the trade test and directly be interviewed by clients at our training centers. Our training centers are equipped with the latest mechanism and equipment so as to serve the trade test perfectly. Moreover, the trade tests are arranged and observed by qualified inspectors and engineers who have had many years working in large projects and doing teaching job at top school and colleges in Vietnam.
I should tell you here that the agency is very positive and very proactive, and the kind of arrangements they have made for the trade test, it's very professional. This is something which was above our expectation. I mean, compared to the other countries when we do campaigns, okay, the trade test arrangements and the way the candidates are properly lined up, okay, candidates, your Vietnamese candidates, I should say, they are very young and very energetic. That's the best part of it.
Vietnam Manpower has been honored to be chosen for a long-term cooperation by the biggest contractors in the Middle East. We are proud not only because we are trusted partner of top companies but also being the bridge to fill the gap between thousands of laborers and large companies all over the world.
This recruitment campaign, actually this is successful for me. Then definitely in future, definitely all visas will come to your agency. Then we are waiting for you to work together.
You are doing very well and excellent. You are active, you are dynamic. So you deserve the thanks, and I would like you to continue for the better and for the best for you and Nesma. And thank you.
With slogan Your Partner for Success, our main goal is to become the #1 labor supplying company and bring the best manpower solution for our valued customers.